Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a text using Trapcode particular and also using Trapcode form. It's very easy and let's get started. First, create a new composition, Full HD 5 seconds and press OK. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it particular. Then press OK. Go to effect, Trapcode, particular. Okay, now go to designer, presets, and go to multiple system presets and text. Now choose your text. I'll choose this one and apply. Okay, now I don't need these bubbles here, so go to show systems and I'll close system 2 like this. Okay, now go to emitter and all velocity I'll make it 0. Okay, also go to particle, life per seconds I'll make it 1, and also physics, gravity I'll make it 0, and yeah. Okay, now I'll go to text and I'll type graphic for you. This is my channel. Okay, press S and scale it like this. Okay, and close this text. Go to particle again and I'll go to text emitter here and change none to graphic for you. Yeah, and this is our text using Trapcode particular. Then I'll go to layer, new solid, and form. Press OK. Go to effect, Trapcode form. Trapcode form. Yeah. Go to designer, presets, and choose your text. Change none to graphic like this. And now go to show forms and choose system form and also open base form and change none to graphic like this. And now we have text using Trapcode form. Okay, now I'll remove Press T, opacity, okay. Lastly, we go to solid freeform tool. Go to Effect, Trapcode 4. Okay, go to Design and I'll go to Grids. And I'll choose this one and apply. Okay, now go to Layer, Camera, press OK, and change track like this. Also, if you want, go to Font here and go to Effect, Stylize and Glow. Change this radius 60 like this. Also go to 1, 2, okay, please, and change position